Hey, SipGirl Living here. Hey, in Georgia, touring a chiropractic school with our middle son, and that's the cutest mug. Two mugs for $40. Super cute. I don't have an espresso machine, but no reason why I couldn't get an espresso mug, right? It's so super cute. So just taking you along with me on my day, looking at coffees and machines. It's a very cute store. Yeah.
Capsules
Oh,
on the
it's
virtual.
pretty.
They have the barcode on them where the machine is able to read the barcode to determine the sizes. The great thing about the virtual line, it has 7 different sizes of coffees it will create from to these full-size mugs of coffee.
Okay.
Once we put the capsule in, it creates what we call centrifusion. It spins the capsule very rapidly, and it creates the crema on top. That's just coffee oil and air. And this is the signature for the virtual. The coffees look like that.
I love that. Oh my goodness, and it smells. I wish the video would catch the smell of it. It smells delicious.
How much is for this?
This one's on sale right now. It's $132.99. It's 30% off. And you'll get a 12-pack of capsules with the machine when you buy one of our virtual now.
Oh, can you wrap that up for me?
We have it in choice of the black with silver, white with gold. We have the black and
Here we are,
Okay.
leaving the mall.
Mr. P behind us.
Tried my first Nespresso.
Capital P behind us and bought the espresso
Hey,
off the
husband. So let's see. I am going to
You don't want to
walk
walk down.
down. Yeah, look.
No, you're not in the video walking
Let
down.
me see.
So you
Yeah,
fall
you need to
down.
worry about it.
Show you the. Ooh, I actually SipGirl Living. Hey, SipGirl Living here. Just got back from our trip to Atlanta, and I got something new. Can you see? Can you see? Let me just bring you over here a little bit because you probably can't see. I got an espresso machine, and I got a whole bag of goodies. Yeah, that's what I got. So what I'm going to be doing is an unboxing. I'll set you over here. Let's see. So that you can see as I open the Nespresso machine. So excited. I've been wanting one of these for quite a while now. I'll put my goodies over here until I get it done. So here we go. Nespresso. Got it all set up. Now I am ready to show y'all the goodies in my bag. So look, I got this with the purchase. Cute. I got this with the purchase. Okay. Let's see. Whoa. Real time. This is SipGirl Living. This is the little thing how you sit your coffee mug and you put your mug on here. So, okay. So back to what I was saying. I got this with the purchase. The sample pack of whatever this is. Looks like, over ice. And then a double espresso pack. And then, because I purchased, I guess, around Mardi Gras, I got a set of the New Orleans style coffee for free. So let's take a look and see what our containers look like. I'm doing this one hand, so bear with me. Oh, cute. It looks just like the box. So this is chicory. Anybody know about chicory? I like it. It's a double espresso. Ooh. Okay, lots of coffee. So what I plan to do is this is a candy dish, a retro style candy dish from my childhood. Make this one. May have been my mom's. Or it could have been my dad's. I have one of my dad's over there that I used to keep my sugar in. But anyway, so I'm going to put a few of the pods. And what makes this machine so cool is that the machine actually reads the pod. See the barcode around the side of that? Yeah, when you put it in there, it reads it and it knows how to brew it. Okay? So let's see what's in that sat box. That's my New Orleans or NOLA. Let's see. And then this box. And I'm very new to Nespresso, so if I'm mispronouncing things, y'all let me know in the comments. Oh, okay. As pictured. That's cool. So what is this, Kanisha? This is, oh, our favorites. So this is a favorites pack. Our favorites for iced lattes brewed over ice and milk. Add milk and stir to chill. Gotcha. Always like expiration date, so we're still good. So this one is called Ice Ligero, and this is double espresso charo. So a little fun. Same premise with this machine. It reads the barcode. So last but certainly not least, y'all, what else? This box says Nespresso. What else? Let's see what's in here. And because I don't have an espresso store here in Mississippi, sample packs for me are really a great thing. So I can know what I like when I have to go order online. Or if I'm in a store, I've already tried them, so thank you. Thank you, Nespresso, for providing me this. And this is the little card that came with it. Okay, and then it can tell me, I'll read these later, but it tells you all about it. A variety of blends. And then I like having a little cheat sheet up there. So let's see. Ooh, they're pretty. And they all have a little barcode. I'm going to make a cut today because we just got off the highway and I'm needing a little lift. Did not wind up drinking that coffee y'all saw me take the first sip of earlier. That wasn't gonna do it. So I think I'm gonna do something. We're doing a date night tonight. So we're going on a couple's date night with this new church that we've been visiting. They're going to a local restaurant called Manship, and then we're going to see a play. Don't really know what the name of the play is, but we're going. So looking forward to that. And I need a little bit of energy after driving from Atlanta. So, all right, let's go make my first cup here. Ooh. All right. We're doing our first sip of Nespresso coffee brewed at home. Not bad. I love the bold flavor of it. So, first sip. Is the best sip. The SipGirl.